Leaky gut, also known as increased intestinal permeability, is a condition where the lining of your gut becomes more permeable than usual. Imagine your gut lining as a tightly woven net, designed to keep nutrients in and harmful substances out. When you have leaky gut, this net becomes damaged, allowing undigested food particles, toxins, and bacteria to leak into your bloodstream. This leakage triggers an immune response, leading to inflammation throughout your body. Leaky gut is linked to various health issues, from digestive problems like bloating and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, to autoimmune diseases, skin conditions, and even mental health concerns. It's a widespread problem that often goes undiagnosed. Many factors contribute to leaky gut, including poor diet, stress, infections, and certain medications. The good news is that you can take steps to heal your gut naturally and restore its integrity. Identifying leaky gut can be tricky because its symptoms often mimic other conditions. However, common signs include digestive discomfort like bloating, gas, diarrhea, and constipation. You might also experience food sensitivities or intolerances as your body struggles to process certain foods properly. Beyond digestive issues, leaky gut can manifest in unexpected ways, such as skin problems like acne, eczema, or rosacea. Fatigue, headaches, joint pain, and difficulty concentrating are also potential indicators. If you experience several of these symptoms, it's worth considering leaky gut as a possible culprit. Several factors contribute to leaky gut, with diet playing a significant role. Processed foods, sugar, gluten, and alcohol can all damage the gut lining and increase permeability. Chronic stress also wreaks havoc on your gut, disrupting its delicate balance. Other culprits include infections, antibiotic overuse, and certain medications like NSAIDs. The first step to healing your gut is adopting a gut-friendly diet. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods that nourish your gut lining and promote the growth of beneficial bacteria. Bone broth, rich in collagen and gelatin, is incredibly soothing for the gut lining and helps reduce inflammation. Incorporate fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and yogurt, which introduce beneficial probiotics into your gut. These probiotics help restore the balance of your gut microbiome, essential for overall gut health. Healthy fats from sources like avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish are crucial for reducing inflammation and supporting the integrity of your gut barrier. Eliminate inflammatory foods that damage the gut lining. Cut back on sugar, processed foods, gluten, dairy, and alcohol. These foods disrupt the balance of your gut bacteria and contribute to leaky gut. By nourishing your gut with the right foods, you can begin to repair the damage and restore its natural function. In addition to dietary changes, certain supplements can aid in healing leaky gut. L-glutamine, an amino acid, helps repair and rebuild the gut lining. Probiotics, available in supplement form, introduce beneficial bacteria into your gut, promoting a healthy microbiome. Digestive enzymes can be helpful if you struggle to digest certain foods, easing the burden on your gut. Beyond supplements, lifestyle modifications are crucial for optimal gut health. Chronic stress negatively impacts your gut, so find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Prioritize sleep, as it allows your body to repair and regenerate, including your gut lining. Address any underlying infections, such as Candida overgrowth or small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, SIBO, which can contribute to leaky gut. Work with a qualified healthcare professional to determine the best course of treatment. By incorporating these lifestyle changes and supplements, you can support your gut healing journey. Remember, healing your gut is a journey, not a quick fix. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. By adopting a gut-friendly diet, incorporating helpful supplements, and making positive lifestyle changes, you can support your gut health and improve your overall well-being. Listen to your body and pay attention to how different foods and lifestyle choices make you feel. What works for one person may not work for another. So personalize your approach. Consult with a healthcare professional to address any underlying health concerns and receive personalized guidance. Taking control of your gut health is an investment in your overall health and vitality. By prioritizing your gut, you're taking a proactive step towards a healthier, happier you. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share.